What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. So I'm out in the garage pondering my next mod for the Hellcat, and I'm in a quandary. So originally I had bought a pre-cut stripe kit from somebody offline, and to give you an idea, I know the backing paper's on the stripes so you can't really see the pattern. I'll show you the pattern in a second. It's a gloss carbon fiber. So I laid it out on the car for the hood perspective just to get an idea. I mean, you know, there's hundreds of the pictures of these cars with the carbon fiber stripes or just matte vinyl stripes, whatever the case may be. So this is just a rough idea. You know, the stripe would follow all the way down across the front bumper, all the way down onto the lower splitter, and then of course across the roof line, down across the roof, down across the trunk, over the lip of the spoiler, and then all the way down. The kit covers everything. It's not one of those kits where, you know, it stops at the bottom of the trunk. It goes all the way down the bumper, covers the whole roof line. So that was the original plan, and to see what it looks like, it's kind of like this carbon fiber right here. This is actually a 3M vinyl. I'm not sure what the kit comes from or what brand. I think it might be Avery, I'm not sure. But I mean, that's basically the gist of what the print's going to look like, and it is the gloss finish, not the satin finish or the matte finish. I also bought a 1/4 inch thin strip of silver that I would line both the inside edge and the outside edge of the stripe, following the whole body, you know, the stripes all the way back, all the way down the front and stuff like that. That was the original goal. Over time, I've kind of changed my mind on whether or not I want to do that. I've always been kind of the person that likes the car, you know, solid body color, no pinstriping, no racing stripes, you know, none of that stuff. But after seeing some of the pictures online, you know, I really like SRT Mush's Hellcat, the way he's got his stripes done. You know, his car was actually kind of the inspiration for, you know, how I wanted to line both sides of the larger stripe with the thinner stripe to give it more depth kind of look. But the more and more I think about doing this, and I don't know, maybe it's the idea of doing the install myself. Maybe I should just take the kit someplace and have it installed professionally. I don't know. But the other option that I've recently thought about is using the vinyl wrap that I already have to kind of do accents. So what I mean by that is wrapping that all the way across just the top part, and then wrapping this that itself down there. I don't know how good any of this is going to come up on camera being so dark. Wrapping each mirror, and then purchasing an actual carbon fiber rear spoiler. I'm not sure. I mean, me personally, I kind of like the idea of the carbon fiber accents versus the stripe all the way down the body. The other thing with that is my biggest concern is I'm going to do these stripes, and then 6 months to a year from now, I'm going to be tired of these stripes and I'm going to pull them off. And then the car is going to be faded, and the stripes are going to be visible from fade and all that other stuff. Whereas if I do these accent pieces, you know, if I get tired of that, I can take it off, clean up the plastic, and I'm good. You know, obviously the mirrors are, you know, a problem because they could, they wouldn't fade like the rest of the car would. But these are actually covers that supposedly you can pop off. And then of course the splitter would be a whole new splitter, so if I got tired of that, just take the carbon fiber splitter off and put the factory one back on. Of course that would mean that that's not faded either, but you know, there are ways around that kind of stuff. So from this perspective, like I said, I'm in a quandary. I don't know what to do. I don't know whether I should just finish what I started with the stripe kit or whether I should go the route of the accents. So you know, why don't you guys give me your opinions You know, down in the comments, let me know which one you think, you know, your opinion, you know, which one you think is the better route to go. So, you know, either the full striping set or to do the wrapped accents. So, yeah, let me know what your thoughts are.